Hi everyone, I'm Stefan Kostic. I'm the CEO of IPification, one of the pioneers in the network API space. Open Gateway, GSMA Open Gateway Initiative is a major industry initiative mainly started to expose the network APIs globally in a consistent way. It helps the operator to expose network capabilities such as fraud prevention, authentication, KYC, device detail in a very consistent way for developers to adopt. It opens up a lot of benefits for the carriers globally. First and foremost, it helps to open up new revenue streams and also help to protect some of the existing revenues as well that are well known in the A2P SMS space. It helps operator also to make cooperation between themselves, in a more interoperable way, in such a way that they can work to each other without the middlemen that were causing traditionally a lot of friction and problems down the path, and also helps the operator to be again in the center of creating a digital trust and be the main driver of today's and the future digital economy. There's a lot of Camara APIs developed and being developed today. I think as of latest, there's roughly 67 or 68 APIs developed. But what we are seeing as the APIs being mostly adopted are first and foremost is a number verify API, including both 1.0, 2.0, or 2.1, as they like to call a combination of those two, combined with two additional, fraud prevention signals, which is SIM swap and phone number recycling, which both together actually encompass a very important, fraud prevention tool in order to make the phone number still a relevant identity in today's digital age. There are multiple benefits for the enterprises depending in which sector they operate, whether it's BFSI, social networks, gaming, so on and so, ride-hailing, logistics, etc. So starting from much better user experience, much better conversion rates, better marketing efforts and results, all the way to preventing a lot of fraudulent activities that were traditionally unable to cope with standard methods like SMS, OTP, or other channels available.